Hi, this is one of our game Kiwi versus Kangaroo based on Kiwi and Kangaroo rivalry. So this is a game which is multiplayer game and two players can compete with each other playing this game. So let's now have a look what we have here. This is the intro. Okay, that was the intro of the game. Here's the menu screen. In this we can play with CPU, means as a single player we can play the game. We can play with friends. These are the setting options. These are the instructions for the game. Here we can check the score and the leaderboard thing, and from here we can exit the game. So let's check all these menus one by one. Let's play with CPU. Loading. Okay, so it's a 3-level game, and here you can see these are the controls for the movements of the players, and where move forward, up, jumping. Player can jump, player can bend, and now here these features we can show punch, we can kick, we can jump and kick, we can just slide and kick, and these are the special powers like kicking and punching. So all these powers will activate under different conditions. So as per the rules of the game. So let's now play the game and see how it goes. So I am the Kangaroo right now. Now I'm playing the game. The player's score is here and the CPU score is here. So let's see how much I score now. This is the second round I'm going to play. I move forward and I kick it. Then I can swipe. I can again kick. Then these are the punches. I can punch, I can kick. All these features. I can move backward, I can come forward, and then I kick. Now you can see all these scores. These are scoring as per the rules. And these are the kicks. These are punches. Now we can also pause the game and we can see this is screen, resume, statics, and main menu. It's also showing the current score. I scored 780, and now if you want to resume, we can resume. We can also see the stats from here. The player, what are my scores, what are CPU scores. If we touch it again, it will go. Then if you want to come, we want to leave the game, and we can come back to the main menu. Here's the main menu. Now let's check the settings features. In setting features, we can select character, whether you want to be a Kiwi or you want to be a Kangaroo. Then all these 3 levels, then sound on and sound off features are there. Music on, music off feature is there. Then which level we want to play, and these characters we can select. And click done, come out of it. Now here you see I selected myself to be a Kiwi. Now I am in the Kiwi. I can move forward and I can punch, I can kick. Now you see the fast punch is activated now, so I can punch fast and score points.
ठीक है बोलो.
So as you can see, the level is going, the fight is going on. The CPU is attacking me and I am attacking the CPU, and this is the level 3, and the countdown is going here. CPU score is 2 above 2000, my score is 1050.
That's it.
So that's it. I think this is enough to show all these features. When you play this game, you will learn more about it. Now let's come to the main menu and show some other features that we have implemented.
Multiplayer.
Now the multiplayer feature, play with friends. If we click on it, so the game center will open, and from here we can choose the players. So if we click on invite friends, our list of friends in game center will appear. So from here we can invite anyone to play. We can select, suppose I select this, and then I select next. Then here is the message coming. From here we can send a message to him. Right now we will not send any message because no one is online. So this is the multiplayer feature. It's working perfectly. Let's come to the main screen.
That's it.
And that's it. Let me also show you. That's it. And thank you. I hope you liked it.